Are you tired of streaky windows that never seem to get truly clean? Do you find yourself spending hours scrubbing glass surfaces only to be left with smudges and water spots? Have you ever wondered if there's a better way to achieve that crystal clear, professional-looking finish without breaking your back or your budget? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving deep into the world of window cleaning solutions to bring you the ultimate ranking of the 7 best products that promise to transform your cleaning routine forever. Number 7. EVERSPROUT Swivel Squeegee. Starting at number 7, we have the EVERSPROUT Swivel Squeegee, a product that promises versatility with its 2-in-1 design, combining both a squeegee and microfiber scrubber. This tool features a swivel head that can rotate to 7 different positions, which sounds impressive on paper and does offer some flexibility for cleaning awkward angles like transom windows and Vermont-style installations. The 10-inch squeegee blade is firm and provides decent coverage, while the microfiber scrubber pad is removable and machine washable, making it an environmentally conscious choice for repeated use. However, during my extensive testing, I discovered several limitations that prevent this product from ranking higher. The swivel mechanism, while innovative, tends to feel loose and wobbly over time, making it difficult to maintain consistent pressure against the glass surface. This becomes particularly problematic when you're trying to achieve those perfect, streak-free passes that professional window cleaners make look so effortless. The locking mechanism that's supposed to secure the head in different positions doesn't always hold firmly, especially when you're applying the necessary pressure to remove stubborn dirt and grime. The microfiber scrubber, while effective at initial dirt removal, requires frequent rinsing during use, which interrupts the cleaning flow and makes the process more time-consuming than anticipated. I found that the pad becomes saturated quickly, and without proper wringing, it tends to leave excess water on the glass that the squeegee blade struggles to remove completely. This creates a frustrating cycle where you're constantly having to go back over areas you thought you'd already cleaned. Number 6. MR.SIGA Professional Window Cleaning Combo. The MR.SIGA Professional Window Cleaning Combo takes the 6th spot in our ranking, offering a 10-inch squeegee paired with a microfiber window washer in what appears to be a straightforward, no-nonsense package. The aluminum clip construction, with natural rubber blade, promises durability, and the thicker microfiber cover is designed to provide better water absorption compared to thinner alternatives. The lightweight plastic handle makes it comfortable to hold during extended cleaning sessions, and the ability to connect with telescopic poles adds versatility for reaching higher windows. During my testing phase, this combo showed decent performance on standard residential windows, delivering reasonably clean results when used with proper technique. The microfiber scrubber does an adequate job of loosening dirt and grime, while the rubber blade provides a smooth gliding action across the glass surface. The 14-inch option offers good coverage, allowing you to clean larger panes more efficiently than smaller squeegees, and the overall design feels more substantial than some budget alternatives. However, several issues emerged during extended use that prevent this product from achieving a higher ranking. The rubber blade, while initially effective, tends to develop nicks and tears more quickly than expected, especially when encountering any rough spots or debris on window frames. These imperfections in the blade immediately translate to streaks and missed spots on your windows, requiring frequent blade replacements that add to the long-term cost of ownership. Number 5. APLOP Window Squeegee. Moving up to number 5, the APLOP Window Squeegee represents a significant step up in both design and performance. This extendable and adjustable squeegee promises streak-free results with its multi-purpose design that works effectively on windows, windshields, and various glass surfaces. The adjustable length feature allows you to customize the reach for different applications, making it versatile enough for both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks. What immediately impressed me during testing was the solid construction and attention to detail in the engineering. The extension mechanism operates smoothly and locks securely at various lengths, providing confidence when working on higher windows or hard-to-reach areas. The squeegee blade maintains consistent contact with the glass surface throughout the stroke, which is crucial for achieving those professional-looking, streak-free results that we all desire. The ergonomic handle design reduces hand fatigue during extended cleaning sessions, and the balanced weight distribution makes it comfortable to use even when fully extended. The rubber blade quality is noticeably superior to the previous products, maintaining its edge and flexibility even after multiple cleaning sessions. This translates to more consistent performance and longer intervals between blade replacements. The multi-surface capability proved particularly useful during my testing. Whether working on standard house windows, car windshields, or shower doors, the APLOP Squeegee adapted well to different glass types and cleaning challenges. The adjustable pressure system allows you to modify the blade contact based on the surface and level of soiling, providing greater control over the cleaning process. Number 4. Unger ProClean Indoor Window Cleaning Kit. The Unger ProClean Indoor Window Cleaning Kit secures the 4th position with its comprehensive approach to window cleaning. This kit represents a complete solution rather than just a single tool, including everything needed for professional quality indoor window cleaning. The washable, reusable microfiber pad works effectively with all leading glass cleaners and consistently delivers clean, streak-free results that rival professional cleaning services. What sets this kit apart is the thoughtful design of each component. The cushioned grip provides exceptional comfort during extended use and maintains a secure hold even with wet hands, addressing one of the most common complaints about window cleaning tools. The pivoting head allows for quick and easy cleaning of hard-to-reach places, making it particularly effective for windows with unusual angles or tight spaces around frames and sills. During my extensive testing, the ProClean kit demonstrated remarkable consistency across different window types and cleaning conditions. The microfiber pads proved exceptionally effective at capturing and holding dirt, dust, and grime without redistributing it across the glass surface. The machine-washable nature of the pads makes this an economical long-term solution, as you're not constantly purchasing replacement components. The versatility of this kit really shines when you consider its compatibility with Unger's Connect and Clean Pull system. This allows you to transform the handheld tool into an extended reach cleaner for high windows or outdoor applications, effectively giving you 2 tools in one package. The standard threading ensures compatibility with various extension pulls, not just Unger's proprietary options. Number 3. Amffed Double-Sided Magnetic Window Cleaner. Taking the 3rd spot is the Amffed Double-Sided Magnetic Window Cleaner, a revolutionary approach to window cleaning that addresses one of the most challenging aspects of the task: cleaning both sides of the glass simultaneously. This innovative tool uses powerful magnets to couple 2 cleaning units through the glass, allowing you to clean the exterior surface from the safety and comfort of the interior. The magnetic coupling system is impressively strong, maintaining connection even through double-glazed windows up to 35 millimeters thick. During testing, I was amazed at how securely the units stayed together, even when navigating around window frames or dealing with slightly uneven glass surfaces. The safety rope provides additional peace of mind when working on upper-story windows, ensuring that even if the magnetic connection fails, the exterior unit won't fall to the ground below. What makes this product particularly impressive is its unique seesaw structure design, which allows the cleaner to reach maximum efficiency regardless of the direction of movement. Unlike other magnetic cleaners that require specific directional use, the Amffed system adapts to your natural cleaning motions, making the process feel more intuitive and less restrictive. The quadrate design ensures that you can reach narrow areas and clean without dead corners, addressing a common limitation of round magnetic cleaners. The built-in water storage sponge eliminates the need for frequent water replenishment, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without interruption. Number 2. DynVapor Electric Window Cleaner. The DynVapor Electric Window Cleaner claims the 2nd position with its cutting-edge electric technology that transforms the traditional window cleaning experience. This cordless, rechargeable device combines the cleaning and drying process into one seamless operation, eliminating the traditional 2-step process that often leads to streaking and inconsistent results. The electric suction system is the standout feature of this device, providing consistent vacuum power that removes cleaning solution and water as you work. This immediate extraction prevents the formation of water spots and streaks that plague traditional squeegee methods, especially in challenging conditions like direct sunlight or windy weather. The rechargeable battery provides substantial runtime, easily handling multiple windows on a single charge. During extensive testing, the DynVapor consistently delivered superior results compared to manual alternatives. The combination of the microfiber cleaning pad and the electric suction creates a thorough cleaning action that removes even stubborn residues like hard water spots, soap scum, and environmental pollutants. The ergonomic design reduces physical strain significantly, making it possible to clean large numbers of windows without the fatigue associated with traditional methods. The versatility of this electric cleaner extends beyond just windows. During testing, it proved equally effective on shower doors, mirrors, glass tables, and even smooth tile surfaces. The adjustable suction settings allow you to optimize performance for different surface types and soiling levels, providing professional quality results across a wide range of applications. Number 1. Anminto Automatic Window Cleaning Robot. Claiming the top position is the Anminto Automatic Window Cleaning Robot, representing the pinnacle of window cleaning technology and convenience. This intelligent device transforms window cleaning from a manual chore into an automated process, utilizing advanced AI navigation and multiple safety systems to deliver professional quality results with minimal human intervention. The AI 5.0 path planning system is truly revolutionary, using advanced sensors and algorithms to map your windows and determine the most efficient cleaning pattern. During testing, I was consistently impressed by the robot's ability to navigate around window frames, detect obstacles, and adjust its cleaning path accordingly. The system learns from each cleaning session, optimizing its performance over time and adapting to the specific characteristics of your windows. The triple nozzle water spray system ensures comprehensive coverage and optimal moisture distribution throughout the cleaning process. The dual helix cleaning heads work in conjunction with high-quality microfiber pads to agitate and remove even stubborn soiling, while the 3000 PA suction power keeps the unit securely attached to the glass surface throughout the cleaning cycle. The safety features are comprehensive, including a safety rope, UPS power backup, and multiple anti-fall sensors that provide peace of mind when the robot is operating on upper-story windows. What makes this robot truly exceptional is its versatility and adaptability. The remote control offers 3 distinct cleaning modes plus spot cleaning functionality, allowing you to customize the cleaning process based on the specific needs of each window. Final thought. That's all for today.